Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we are going to do a coding exercise using while loop. We would like to write a program that counts down from 5 to 1. To do that, we are initializing a variable to be 5 and then we are using while loop. So the while loop is going to continue as long as count variable is larger than 0. So the first time that it is initialized to 5, 5 is larger than 0, then it is going to enter this loop. When it enters this loop, it is printing countdown and the number of the count. So in the first time, count equals 5, so it prints 5 in the output. After that, it is decreasing the value of count by one value. We explained that when we are having, for example, these signs, it is equivalent to this count minus 1. Okay, so here it means that count equals 5 minus 1. Why? Because it is already initialized to 5 and we are decreasing its value by 1. Okay, so after this equation, count will be 4. So basically, in the first iteration, we are saying that count equals 5. 5 is larger than 0. Yes, it is true. Therefore, it enters the loop. It prints the value 5 for us, as we indicated here, and it decreases the value of count by 1 unit. So count is now 4. It goes back up. It checks the condition again. 4 is larger than 0. Yes. So count equals 4. So it prints 4, and now count equals 4 minus 1. Therefore count equals 3. Why? Because it was 4 already in this equation here. It was already 4 from the previous iteration minus 1, which is here. 4 minus 1, now count equals 3. So now it goes back up again to check the condition. 3 is larger than 0. Yes, therefore it enters the loop. It is saying that count is 3, so it is printing the value 3 and it is calculating 3 minus 1. Therefore count equals 2. And in the next iteration, 2 is larger than 0. Yes, it enters the loop again, so it prints number 2 and calculate the count again and reduce it by one value, 2 minus 1, so count equals 1. And now 1 is larger than 0. Yes, so count equals 1, print 1. And we are having 1 minus 1 equals, now count equals 0. So it goes back up again. It checks count is larger than 0. So count in the final iteration, it is 4. So 4 is larger than 0. No, it's not. Therefore, it's not going to enter the loop. Therefore, these two lines are not going to be executed, and it is going to print the last message in the terminal blast off. So when I run the code, we should see the same output as we anticipated here. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blast off. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blast off. As you see, we can use while loops in many practical examples in real world. For example, countdown. Thank you for watching.